My facial features are naturally balanced and harmonious. My face looks beautifully proportioned. Every feature complements the others perfectly. My face reflects natural beauty and confidence. My profile looks elegant from every angle. My side profile appears graceful and balanced. My eyes, nose, lips, and jawline work together in perfect harmony. My smile enhances my natural beauty. My face looks soft, symmetrical, and attractive. My skin looks healthy, clear, and radiant. My complexion appears smooth and luminous. My pores look refined and clean. My under eye area looks bright and refreshed. My face looks well rested and vibrant. My facial contours appear naturally balanced. My jawline looks soft and well defined. My cheeks look healthy and naturally sculpted. My features create a beautiful, harmonious appearance. My face photographs me beautifully from every angle. I carry myself with confidence and grace. My natural beauty shines effortlessly. My confidence grows stronger every day. I appreciate my unique facial features. I treat my skin and body with kindness and care. Every healthy habit supports my natural beauty. I radiate confidence, positivity, and self-love. My face reflects health, happiness, and inner peace. I feel comfortable and confident in my own skin. I embrace my natural beauty with gratitude. I deserve to feel beautiful and confident every day. My smile brightens my entire face. My facial expressions are authentic and genuine. My appearance reflects my healthy lifestyle. I feel more confident every time I look in the mirror. My beauty comes from confidence, self-care, and kindness. I choose to focus